Story. Once upon a time. So I'm going to tell you about what happened to me when I first arrived to Finland. Okay? That was like around 15 years ago. So you were still somewhere in the heaven. So, the second day when I came to Finland, I was looking for a familiar food to eat. You know, in Nigeria, we have amala, we have eba, we have fufu, we have jollof rice, you know. We normally fry egg with bread and eat it with yam, you know. So many varieties of food.
Yam?
Yam. Can you yam Yoruba? No. What is yam? Ishu. Oshe. Thank you very much, Ishu. So now, I went to S Market, the one in Variso here, because I was living in Variso at that time. My student apartment is right there in front of our house. Yeah. So, come in, we can't see your head. So anyway, I went to S Market to buy food. So I was looking for a familiar food. So after walking around in the supermarket around the shelves, I saw one familiar food. Guess what is it? No. I was looking for egg. I wanted to fry egg. Okay. I saw egg. I bought egg. And then I got bread. Okay. And then I was gonna fry the egg with fish.
But where?
Fish.
Where?
Fish at home.
Fish that.
Okay.
Fish where?
Okay. So then I saw the fish that I was looking for, but on the body of the fish can, there was a logo of a cat holding a fish in its mouth. So I was like, wow, this is good. You know, it's the best fish that I could get. So I bought the fish, I bought bread, I bought oil, and I bought egg. So then I went home. So I haven't told you this. The first day when I arrived at that apartment, I had two neighbors. You know, we shared the same flat, all of us. There was one Finnish guy. I was saying hello to him. He didn't even greet me. He wasn't saying anything. I'm like, what? Okay, no problem. So when I got home, we shared the same kitchen. So it was at the kitchen when I got home. And then I started preparing my dish, you know. I put the egg in a very big plate.
Does anybody mommy?
No. I haven't met your mom then. Okay, so Yakubu can't see your head. Anyway, so I started preparing the egg, and I put oil on the pan, and then I was about to mix the fish with the egg. So, and then the Finnish guy saw me, and he was like, "Guy, what are you trying to do?" And I'm like, "I'm trying to eat tuna, you know, fish with the egg." He said, "But this is not tuna." I'm like, "What?" He said, "Yes, this is cat food." He said, "This is cat food." I was like, "What?" He said, "Yes, this is cat food. This is not." That was how the guy saved me from eating cat food. So actually, the reason why I had that problem is because I wasn't speaking Finnish then. So it was written on it that it was cat food, but I didn't notice that because I don't know Finnish language. So, but anyway, and that was the reason why I made up my mind that from that day that I will learn the language. That's number one. Number two, that my kids will speak as many languages as possible. And that is the reason why we're trying to make sure that you guys...
was looking for...
Until we meet again next week, guys, where we'll be telling you more stories about my first time when I first came to Finland.
Okay.
My early days in Finland. Say thank you guys and we love you. Say bye bye.
And
But how do you,
subscribe to the channel.
yeah, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We love you. Bye.
Bye. Bye.